biggest shift is gone from being a local game to a global price check, and it creates what I call pricing ripple splash. The biggest misconception is that China is a single uniform source of quality. It's not. A developer client had 36 townhouses locked in. We rescued the project from insolvency.
Many founders burn out or become cynical after so many years. What still genuinely excites you about this work when you wake up on a Monday morning?
Honestly, it's the I got my life back phone call. When a builder or developer rings me, not about an order, but to say, Lindy, for the first time in years, I took a weekend off and I wasn't staring at the supplier invoice. Terrified. That's the adrenaline. This work isn't about moving containers. It's about restoring sanity and ambitions. The cynicism comes when you are just chasing transaction. The excitement stays when you are unlocking potential. What I see on Monday morning isn't a to-do list. I see the family-run builder who can now confidently price the project and actually win it. The developer who can add an extra unit to their subdivision because we reclaimed the margin. The manufacturers who can compete with imports by sourcing smarter components. We are not a supplier, we are a leverage point. Every project we touch gets a strategic advantage. That's permanently exciting. And after all these years, the puzzle still fascinates me. Matching a complex Australian build with a precision factory 8,000 kilometers away. Navigating culture, standards, and the logistics make it feel seamless. That's a high-stake game I never get tired of playing. So I don't wake up thinking about China. I wake up thinking about the Gold Coast, Melbourne, Perth, Sydney, about the Australian business we are making stronger. That's the mission that never gets old.